Cotton, acrylic. Construction. Throw is 100% cotton and measures 50 by 60. Quality in the details. Modern patterns with a decorative fringe for the perfect finish that won't unravel in the wash. Fits the rustic, vintage, or distressed look. This throw has a very chic and trendy look. Throw over a couch or chair to add a splash of color and provide warmth on a cold night. Versatile. Use DII throw blankets to stay warm, as a decor piece, over a chair or couch, to wrap housewarming gifts, as a picnic blanket, when camping, and more. Discover DII. DII offers an assortment of quality home and kitchen products. Click the DII link at the top of this page to explore more. These versatile throws are a great addition to a living room or bedroom. DII offers a wide variety of throws in different colors, patterns, and materials to ensure you find the perfect one to match your vision of a perfectly balanced interior. Our throws are useful any time of the year. Keep warm in the fall and winter season and freshen up your rooms with a pop of color during spring and summer. Keep one on your couch, chair, or bed for cozy nights by the fireside, or take outdoors for chilly summer evenings on the porch or patio, or for a little picnic at your local park. Top reviews from the United States. Trim the yarn. I got this throw to add a subtle pop of color to my couch. I love it. It's way softer than I expected. The comments made it seem like it would be very coarse. It's plenty soft to use when relaxing on the couch. I washed it before using, which made the ends of the yarn very puffy, which I expected because of the material. I washed in cook water on delicate and then dried on low heat. All I did was trim to my desired length, and it looks so cute. Totally worth it. People also mentioned thinking it won't hold up well over time. I don't see that being the case. It feels well made, and I'm sure it will even hold up to my toddler using it.